Hello everybody, this is FC7,
And Misty 2001.
and today we're coming at you with a different type of recipe. How would you
Yeah,
describe this one?
it is one from the quick cooking kitchen. Very
Yeah,
authentic.
yes, definitely not keto and not very healthy, but it's something I enjoy eating.
Hey, you know what? It's got veggies, it's got meat. I would call it somewhat healthy.
Right. So here are the ingredients on the screen.
So you want breaded chicken patties, mild cheddar cheese, or whatever kind of cheddar cheese you want, shredded lettuce, and tortillas,
Yeah.
flour tortillas. So you put your breaded chicken patties on your pan, and we decided to do onion rings with it.
Yeah,
But you
it goes with it really good.
Yep, you preheat your oven to 400 degrees for
15
15
minutes?
minutes.
Yeah. Onion rings go really good with this meal.
Yeah, they do. Well, I think you would know more than I would.
Yeah, this is the kind of meal that I eat and she skips, but
Yeah, I typically go with something different.
yeah.
So you take your 2 chicken patties. Well, of course, you got to open your lettuce and open your cheese and open your tortillas and all of that good stuff.
And this is something we came up with ourselves. We didn't follow a recipe.
Yep, there actually is no recipe. It's something that FC7 came up with his own brain.
Yeah.
Which
so
is a good
it's
thing.
a channel exclusive.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
So after you get all your stuff open, you're going to take tortillas on a clean surface.
In this case, a cutting board.
Yeah, I love using cutting boards.
Yeah.
I use cutting boards for everything. You know me, though.
Mm-hmm. So we can get these tortillas open.
Yeah. So you take your tortillas, as many as you need.
And I find a good serving for this is 2 of them.
Yep, because the patties themselves are kind of small,
Mm-hmm.
but the tortillas are huge.
Right. And you want tortillas that will cover the entire patty.
Yep.
So make sure to get large ones.
So then I added the lettuce to the chicken patty, added the cheese on top of that, and then folded it.
Right. So there's like 8 sides to it.
Yep. So folded in an octagon shape-ish.
And then I also show the other one that you made where you put the lettuce down first and then put the patty on top of it.
So yeah, you can actually really do this either way. As long as you have those 3 ingredients on top of the tortilla, that's about it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it doesn't matter which way you do it.
Fold that one up. And then you're ready to place it on
Yeah,
the grill.
you can either use a griddle or just a pan on the stove like I did.
So here's our pan on the stove.
So yeah, then you add it to the pan and brown it on both sides. But one thing that I found is if you don't press it down with a spatula, it won't seal. So then you're going to end up having to basically refold it and redo it.
Very important.
Yep.
So how long would you say it takes to brown these?
Maybe 3 minutes.
Okay.
But the amount of time that you would keep it in the pan is dependent on how high you have the heat on your stove.
Okay, that makes sense.
Nice and golden brown, that's what you want.
Definitely.
Yeah. Although I do like my tortillas burnt. I try to go somewhat a little bit healthier than this,
Yeah.
but not by much.
Yeah. So keep browning this.
Yep. So then that's what the top side looks like. You put it on the plate, and that's what you have.
Right, and on the sides I have my mayo chup and my barbecue sauce along with
Homemade
onion.
barbecue sauce.
Yes. We have a video on how to make it
Yep.
if you're interested. It's
We
in our
will-
library.
Yep, we'll link that below.
So that should just about do it. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Thank you for watching.